Looking to start a side hustle? Already tried one, but it didn't work out? Too many people have bounced around from one part-time gig to another, like a headless fly, only ending up completely exhausted. So, how do you make sure your side hustle succeeds? In this video, I'll reveal one fundamental question you need to ask in order to land an ultimately successful side hustle. Then I'll share 2 categories of side hustle ideas that really work. A recent IRS report reveals that the average millionaire has 7 sources of income. So if you want to achieve financial independence, you should not just rely on your 9-to-5 job. Starting a side hustle is a must. But some side hustles don't really work out. How can you pick one that leads to long-term growth and kickstarts your millionaire journey? That brings us to the one fundamental question, which is it scalable? The side hustle shouldn't just be about trading your time for little money, because your time and everyone's time is limited. Instead, you should consider something that can scale up. This way, you are building something that can expand over time, whether it's reaching more customers, generating passive income, or growing without always working more hours. This doesn't mean you need to wait for the perfect plan or a grand business idea before getting started. Instead, you can start small while keeping the end goal in mind. It needs to be scalable. With that in mind, there are 2 groups of very different ideas for side hustles that can scale up. You can compare the benefits and required skill sets for each and choose the one that works best for your situation. First group, online businesses that allow you to reach massive customer base. Why online businesses? Because it allows you to work from anywhere and fits well into your schedule, so you can start as a side gig while holding your day job. But you should consider an online business that will allow you to reach a massive customer base. For example, Amazon FBA. So, what exactly is Amazon FBA? FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. Here is how it works. You find products to sell, send them to Amazon's warehouses, and they handle the rest: storage, shipping, and even customer service. Essentially, you focus on sourcing products, and Amazon does the heavy lifting. This makes it perfect for a side gig because you can start small with a few products and grow over time. Once your products go live and selling, Amazon handles the logistics without you having to run the trips to the post office to ship the products. With over 300 million active customers, Amazon gives you instant access to a global marketplace. Many individuals have started small, found the niche, and scaled the Amazon FBA businesses into 6-figure incomes within just 2 to 3 years. So, how to do this? Step 1. Find profitable products. To succeed, you need products with high demand and low competition. You can draw from your own experiences, including those from your day job. For example, if you are a teacher, think about classroom supplies that are hard to combine or overly expensive. Could you source those in bulk and offer them at a better price? Or if your day job requires you to stand for long hours, consider what products might help relieve pressure on your back and feet. Your daily challenges can inspire solutions that others are willing to pay for. Then use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium-10 to identify these opportunities. These tools allow you to do product research, analyze sales data, track competitors' products, and connect you with reliable suppliers and manufacturers. For the price range, a good starting point is lightweight items priced between $30 and $50, as these often hit the sweet spot for beginners. Step 2. Source your products. Check out platforms like Alibaba, Temu, or local wholesalers to compare pricing and suppliers. Here's a quick rule of thumb. If you can source a product at 1/3 of its selling price in bulk, allocate another 1/3 for shipping and Amazon fees, that leaves you with approximately 1/3 as profit. But here is the key. Always request samples to ensure the product quality meets your standards before placing a bulk order. It's a small step that can save you big headaches later. Step 3 is to open your Amazon online store. Head over to Amazon.com to set up your seller account. If you are just beginning, you can choose the individual plan, which costs only 99 cents per item sold. Of course, there will be additional shipping costs and warehouse fees that Amazon may charge. Once you are consistently selling over 40 items per month, you can switch to the professional plan to save on fees. To sell your products on Amazon, here's some pro tips. Use high-quality photos to showcase your products. Include relevant keywords in your product title to help customers find you. Write clear and compelling descriptions that highlight the benefits of your product. Use social media to drive the traffic to your Amazon store. But remember, start small. Don't overinvest in inventory right away. Instead, test the waters with small orders, learn what works, and adjust your strategies as you grow. A similar online business model is dropshipping. Unlike Amazon FBA, where you first need to buy products in bulk and send them to Amazon's warehouse, with dropshipping, you only purchase the product after a customer places an order. The supplier then ships the product directly to the customer, so you don't hold any inventory or worry about restocking. The downside? Dropshipping often comes with lower profit margins compared to Amazon FBA. If you are interested in exploring dropshipping, platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up and start your business. Now, the second group of ideas, local businesses that are scalable and cannot be replaced by AI, such as pet grooming, house cleaning, or lawn care. You might be thinking, oh, it's the same old thing. But hear me out. These are services that people will always need, no matter how advanced the technology gets. And here is a real kicker. These businesses can give you almost instant income within just a few weeks. Unlike online businesses where you may need to spend a couple months researching products, evaluating samples, and choosing suppliers before making your first sale. Local services let you start quickly and earn right away. And they are also scalable. Here is how. Step 1. Start small and build a reputation. You don't need a big budget to begin. Start with the basics, affordable cleaning supplies or lawn care tools. You can just get a used self-propelled lawnmower that is still in good condition for less than $200. As your business grows, you can invest in professional tools, but for now, focus on getting started and build your reputation. Here is what you can do. Design a simple flyer. Use free tools like Canva to create eye-catching flyers. Include your contact info, a brief description of your service, and an introductory discount like 10% of your first clean or mow. Leverage social media. Post in local Facebook groups, on the Nextdoor app, and community boards. These platforms are gold for connecting with neighbors who need your help. Trust me, you'll be surprised by how quickly the inquiries start rolling in. These services are always in high demand because people are willing to pay for convenience and a job well done. Here is a secret for growing any local business. Focus on doing an outstanding job. When you exceed your clients' expectations, they'll not only hire you again, but also tell their friends, neighbors, and family about you. Pro tip: after a job well done, politely ask happy customers for a review on platforms like Google or Facebook. And here is where the magic happens. As your reputation grows, so will your customer base. This is when you can take your side hustle to the next level. Instead of trading your time for money, you can hire a small team. Bring on reliable team members to help you handle more clients. Start with just 1 or 2 people. You'll be amazed how quickly your capacity grows. Delegate and manage. With the team in place, you can focus on managing schedules, securing new clients, and growing the business instead of doing all the hands-on work yourself. Imagine this: with just 2 or 3 team members, you could clean multiple houses and mow several lawns in a single day. That's how you turn a small side hustle into a scalable business. Alright, these are some side hustle ideas that you can start small and grow into a scalable, reliable income stream. Consider and choose the one that would work best for you. Since you made it this far, you must have enjoyed this video. You'll likely enjoy these videos and other sources of income to become a millionaire. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical ideas to help you start building your wealth.